Hi, welcome to Test Prep Training. Today we will discuss about online course, Prepare for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Nowadays, the cloud computing industry proceeds to grow. Knowing its concepts, scope, and use cases have become a frequently important skill amongst non-IT individuals and representatives. Amazon Web Services is one of the most widely used cloud computing services over the world. And most importantly, its AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner course. With that in mind, we are here with the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner online course. AWS, Amazon Web Services, certification supports learners to build reliability and confidence by proving their cloud expertise with an industry-established credential, and organizations recognize skilled experts to guide cloud initiatives using AWS. In our digital course, the candidate will gain an overall knowledge of AWS Cloud, free of specific technical roles. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is the most suitable entry certification, if the candidate is starting in the cloud domain. Furthermore, earning this certification will explain that the candidate has successfully understood the AWS Cloud, and key theories. What does an AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner do? Number 1, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is for those candidates who want to gain more excel in the AWS Cloud platform. Number 2, the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner performs and produces advanced solutions for the cloud platform. Number 3, it includes controlling different operations like storage, security, and network in AWS. Number 4, creating automation for sustaining various delivery processes. About AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. Cloud computing is the demanding production of IT resources across the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. In addition, businesses of every sort, size, and industry are utilizing the cloud for a broad variety of use cases, such as disaster recovery, data backup, virtual desktops, email, software development, and testing, customer-facing web applications, and big data analytics. For instance, healthcare corporations are working the cloud to generate more personalized treatments for their patients. Who this course is for? First, those candidates who intend to gain AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification. Second, those who require to get a high-level summary of AWS. Third, sales and marketing. Fourth, business analysts and project managers. Fifth, C-level executives. Sixth, AWS Academy students. Seventh, other IT-related professionals. Basic details about AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. The exam contains 65 to 68 questions which appear in the form of multiple choice and multi-response. Moreover, the exam is available in various languages such as English, Japanese, Korean, and simplified Chinese. The passing score for the exam is 65% to 75% marks. The candidate should obtain these in order to get certified. To complete the AWS Certified Cloud Professional examination, the candidate gets 90 minutes, and the exam costs $100. Prerequisites for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. First, AWS suggests candidates have a minimum of 6 months of professional experience with the AWS Cloud in any role, which comprises managerial, technical, sales, financial, or purchasing. Second, applicants should have a primary understanding of IT services and their applications in the AWS Cloud platform. Third, general IT technical knowledge. Fourth, general IT business knowledge. Course outline. The course outline is the piece of a column which gives the candidate about all necessary domains and its contained topics. Let's discuss all the domains in brief. Domain 1, Cloud Concepts, 28%. Defining the AWS Cloud and its content proposition. Also, identifying features of AWS Cloud economics. And, listing the various cloud architecture design principles. Domain 2, Security, 24%. The AWS Shared Responsibility Model. Defining AWS Cloud security and compliance concepts. Identifying AWS Access Management capabilities. Also, resources for security support. Domain 3, Technology, 36%. Describing methods of deploying and operating in the AWS Cloud. Determining the AWS global infrastructure. Knowing the core AWS services. Recognizing resources for technology support. Domain 4, Billing, and pricing, 12%. Comparing and contrasting the various pricing models for AWS. Further, recognizing the various account structures in relation to AWS billing and pricing. In addition, classifying resources available for billing support. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Online Course, an overview. Objectives of online course. In this AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner course, the candidate will learn how to: first, defining what the AWS Cloud is and the fundamental global infrastructure. Second, the key duties on the AWS platform and their common use cases. Third, basic AWS Cloud architectural principles. Fourth, describing the fundamental security and compliance features of the AWS platform and the shared security model. Fifth, account management, billing, and pricing models. Sixth, identifying origins of documentation, or technical assistance such as white papers, support tickets. Seventh, specifying the AWS Cloud value proposition. Eighth, the basic characteristics of deploying and operating in the AWS Cloud. Get ready for the exam. First, the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam verifies the candidate's capacity to define AWS Cloud global infrastructure, primary AWS Cloud architectural origins, AWS Cloud value statement, key settings on the AWS platform, fundamental compliance, and security aspects of the AWS platform. Second, the test prep training AWS Cloud Practitioner Certification Preparation Learning Path is an excellent starting point for non-technical personalities looking to learn cloud computing from a business perspective. Third, with a blend of instructional online courses, hands-on labs, practice tests, quizzes and a preparatory guide, this learning path supports the candidate to develop and skill the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. Fourth, to get prepared for the exam, the candidate will take approximately 30 to 45 days to gain good theoretical skills and knowledge and hands-on experience in working with AWS tools. Here's some tips. The suggested path to follow in the preparation for the exam is: first, complete all the steps provided to the learning path. Second, study the exam guide or blueprint, it gives you detailed information about the course structure. Third, take the practice tests a number of times. Fourth, analyze various AWS white papers for further information. Fifth, visit the official page of AWS and schedule the exam. For more such videos, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. Also visit our website